Hello, welcome to another do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make a simple disinfectant spray. Now we are going on our third year of this plague. And if you don't know what plague I'm talking about, this is 2022 and we're talking about a certain plague that's raging all over the world right now. And sometimes, no, not sometimes, all times, we want to make sure that we are fighting it and disinfecting our spaces. And with inflation, sometimes these things are not as common to get. So you can do this at home if you have alcohol, some hydrogen peroxide, and I am going to use these essential oils. We have some tea tree oil, lavender oil, lemon oil, and eucalyptus oil. Let's get started. Now first, you will need a spray bottle, okay? This is a plastic bottle. You use a glass bottle will help preserve it better. I have a spray bottle because a plastic spray bottle because it's convenient for me. It's a choice. So this is one of these projects where you just mix it up in the container you're going to use and everything should be good. So using this glass cup, I need 7 ounces of alcohol. You want to go as high as you can in the alcohol content. I use 91%. Don't use anything less than 70. Okay, so we're going to need 7 ounces of this. So here's the 8-ounce marking right there. So I'm going to pour this in here till I get close to that. There we go. I'm eyeballing it in. Yes, eyeballing is a science. I like to tell myself that, yes. All right, so now I'm going to take this alcohol and I am pouring it into my container. Now, alcohol is a disinfectant. Alcohol is a base of a lot of hand sanitizers and disinfectant wipes. So just the idea that you're using alcohol for this, you know already you're on the right track. And the higher the content, the alcohol content, the better. Okay, so there we are. And you can see here it stops around here, so that's fine. Now we're going to use hydrogen peroxide. So with the hydrogen peroxide, you're going to need a half a teaspoon. So get my trusty tools here. And I'm going to pour in the hydrogen peroxide. Yes, okay. Right. Pour it inside my spray bottle. Perfect. Now, tea tree oil is no joke. It has antibacterial properties. If you want to know more about what tea tree oil can do for you, check out the playlist I have on this channel. And on that playlist, I go through a lot of different, so my viral, it's called viral. It never went viral, but it's my viral essential oil playlist. And you will know the properties of something as wonderful as tea tree oil with its antibacterial properties. So we're going to need 12 drops. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. What I love about some brands, and just because you see a certain brand here, it doesn't mean that they support this channel, nor do I endorse it. These are just some things that I use that work for me. Anyway, if your bottle of essential oils has this type of top, this helps regulate your drops. So when I do tell you use a certain amount of drops, if you have that kind of top, it will be very easy for you to do that. Next, let's use our lavender. Okay, for lavender oil, well, we are going to drop in, I don't know, let's say 8. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now not only do these essential oils have antibacterial properties, but these essential oils they smell good. I'm just going to be honest with you, they smell good. And when you're spraying some things around your house, you want them to smell good. You don't want it to smell awful. Okay, next, eucalyptus. Let's add eucalyptus oil. 1, 2, 3. You're going to need 6 of these. 4, 5, 6. All right, and last but not least, lemon essential oil. You need 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, a little trick that I use, you might have seen it there. When I turn it over and I tap the bottom of the bottle, that usually helps facilitate the droppage. Some, they turn the bottle around and that helps the flow. Okay, maybe I should do a video on how to deal with certain essential oils. But right now, for our purposes, I've put them all into this bottle of alcohol, hydrogen peroxide, and I shake it up, and then you spray it. Now, just to be clear here, this is a disinfectant spray that you can use on all surfaces, but before you spray it on anything, please check. Do a spot check. If you're going to do this on your couch, spray it in an inconspicuous area to see if there's any staining, to see if everything evaporates, and always shake it up before you spray, okay? So you can have a good even distribution. Another thing, as you're using this, please make sure you have good ventilation, because we do have alcohol in this, and you know, some people's systems are very sensitive, and so you want to be mindful of that. So make sure you're spraying it in an area that is well ventilated. But that is it. I mean, basically we just made a fancy kind of disinfectant, you know, like a hand sanitizer without the aloe vera and everything else that we use for hand sanitizer, and made it into a spray form so we can just spray it on our surfaces. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. If you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like that, hit the subscribe button. I have 1,000 subscribers, so for all of my subscribers, thank you, love you. I am going to be posting a lot more. Been having some troubles lately, but I'm back in it and we're going to do this, okay? So until next time.